Men begin to miss you more when you remember these 6 things. Psychology tells us there is a quiet kind of magic in being missed. It's not about disappearing or playing games. It's about becoming unforgettable. Not because you are loud or demanding, but because the essence of who you are stays with someone long after you've gone. Men, even if they don't always say it, feel deeply. Many of them hide their emotions behind layers of logic, routine, and daily responsibilities. But when a woman touches both their mind and their heart, ignoring her absence becomes impossible. Psychology suggests that longing often grows in silence. In those small moments when someone realizes that what you brought into their life is not something easily found somewhere else. And here is the beautiful truth. You can make a man miss you more, not by trying to control him, but by understanding a few powerful truths about human nature. These are the 6 things that make men miss you deeply. The way someone misses the warmth of sunlight on a cold winter day, suddenly yet profoundly. First, when you value your own space and time. There is something incredibly magnetic about a woman who has her own life. Not a life centered around him, but one filled with curiosity, passion, and purpose. When you show that you value your time, he begins to see you not as someone depending on his presence, but as someone he wants to earn a place beside. Psychologically, people are drawn to those who feel complete on their own. A man starts missing you when he realizes that your life is already full of moments he does not want to miss. Think about it like this. Imagine a woman who is always waiting for his call, always available at any moment. Now imagine another woman who is busy following her dreams, meeting friends, laughing, traveling, and building a beautiful life with or without him. Which one stays on his mind more? The one standing still or the one constantly moving forward, living a life so vibrant that he wants to be part of it? This is not about pretending to be busy. It is about genuinely living a life where you are the center of your own world. And when you do that, he begins to feel a pull. A quiet thought starts whispering in his mind. What is she doing right now? Who is making her laugh? Does she ever think about me? That is when he starts to miss you, because he realizes you are not simply waiting. You are out there truly living. Second, when you leave an emotional imprint. People may forget the exact words you said. They might even forget what you did, but they rarely forget how you made them feel. Men miss the women who awaken something inside them that they cannot find anywhere else. It's not about dramatic gestures or grand displays. Often, it is the small things that matter most. The way you remember his favorite childhood memory, the way you listen with real interest, or the way you laugh, not politely, but from the depth of your heart, as if the whole room just became brighter. Psychologists describe this as emotional resonance. It happens when someone leaves a trace not only in your mind, but in your heart. That is why certain people become unforgettable. They may not be the most beautiful or the most talkative, but they make you feel seen, understood, and alive. If you have ever had someone whose presence alone made your day better, then you know that feeling. And when they are gone, you miss them because everything feels a little less bright without that spark. Men experience the same thing. When you bring warmth, authenticity, and positivity into his life, you stop being just someone he spends time with. You become a feeling he longs for. Third, when you show confidence with a touch of mystery. Confidence is not loud. It is quiet, almost like an unshakable calm that says, I know my value, and I don't need anyone else to define me. A confident woman does not chase. She attracts. Not because she is distant, but because she is complete. And when confidence is combined with a little mystery, it becomes incredibly magnetic. Mystery does not mean playing games. It simply means having depth. It means not revealing everything at once, but allowing someone to discover you slowly, like chapters in a book they cannot stop reading. Have you noticed how people are often drawn to someone who seems deeper than what appears on the surface? Men feel the same curiosity. When he senses that your life contains stories, that your world is bigger than just him, he naturally wants to know more. And when you are not around, he begins thinking about you, trying to understand the beautiful puzzle that is you. Fourth, When you know how to step back, one of the strongest ways to make someone miss you is simply giving them the space to feel your absence. When you step back, not out of anger or cold silence, but in a way that quietly says, "I trust you to move toward me," you allow them to experience what life feels like without you. Men often process emotions differently. Many need space to think, to reflect, and to realize what they truly value. If you are always there, always reaching out, he never gets the chance to pause and notice the difference your presence makes. But when you step back just enough, he begins to feel the quiet. He notices the empty spaces in his day, the messages that are not arriving, the laughter that is missing, the warmth that used to be there. Psychology calls this reactance. When people feel they might lose something valuable, their desire for it often grows stronger. Fifth, when you connect with his mind, not only his heart. Beauty might catch a man's attention, but deeper connections are what make him stay. When your conversations stimulate his mind, when you introduce ideas that make him think differently, when you inspire him to dream bigger or challenge him in thoughtful ways, you become someone he cannot easily forget. Physical attraction can fade over time, but intellectual and emotional bonds create connections that are difficult to replace. Think about the people you remember most in your own life. Usually, it is not their appearance that stays with you. It is the way they helped you see something new, or how they made you feel understood in a world that often moves too fast to truly listen. If you can be both a place of comfort and a source of inspiration, he will not only miss you when you are gone, he will long for the depth you bring into his life. Sixth, when you allow him to miss you. This may sound simple, but many people overlook it. Missing someone requires space, silence, and patience. If you are constantly texting, constantly checking in, constantly reminding him of your presence, you remove the opportunity for him to miss you. Let the silence exist for a while. Let curiosity grow. Let him wonder, what is she doing right now? Does she think about me? Why does her absence feel so noticeable? Missing someone is rarely created through constant words. More often it grows through the quiet spaces between them. When you trust that your presence is strong enough to linger even in silence, you will see how naturally he begins moving toward you. The psychology of missing someone is simple. It is less about distance and more about emotional impact. A man does not miss you only because you are gone. He misses you when he realizes that your presence brought something special into his life, something he cannot easily replace. Sometimes this realization takes time. It happens when the messages become fewer, when your laughter is no longer there, when he moves through his day and suddenly feels that something important is missing. Final thoughts. If you truly want to be missed, not through manipulation, but through genuine value, remember these 6 truths. Value your time and your space. Leave a meaningful emotional imprint. Carry confidence with a touch of mystery. Step back and allow him to feel your absence. Connect with his mind as well as his heart. And most importantly, give him the chance to miss you. A woman who understands her worth never has to chase in order to be remembered. Her presence alone creates a longing that continues to grow, even in silence. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment, and share if you want to keep these videos coming.